Precarious, the H. White inbound Duluth, 30 minutes. Precarious, the H. White inbound Duluth, 30 minutes.
The Duluth area lift bridge is lifting to its full height of 135 feet for the arrival of the H. White. The H. White should be arriving through the canal in about 5 to 10 minutes. What you just heard there is known as the Captain's Salute, which is a traditional greeting between the ships and the bridge we hear at the canal pretty often. The ship initiates the greeting with one long blast followed by two short blasts, and the bridge responds at the same thing. Right now we have the H. White arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal. The H. White was built in 1974 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 704 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. She is powered by two 3,600 horsepower, 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines. She is also equipped with 1,000 horsepower bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability and port. The H. White has 3 hatches on her deck, which open into 6 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 44 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 35,400 tons. Above her deck is a 251-foot self-loading boom, which allows her to load her own cargo at a rate of 6,000 tons per hour without the aid of short-side equipment. The H. White is owned by the American Steamship Co, Williamsville, New York, and she is operated under charter by Grand River Navigation of Traverse City, Michigan. This is the H. White's first trip to the Twin Ports this season. They wintered at Buffalo, New York this past winter with a storage cargo of wheat that they actually loaded here back in January. And now they are back out there operating, and then once again this is their first trip back to the Twin Ports for the season. They are loaded with limestone from Calcite, Michigan. They'll be unloading that at Hallett 8 Envirotech dock. So once again, we have the H. White arriving through the Duluth Ship Canal. She was built in 1974. Measures 704 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. Maximum carrying capacity of 35,400 tons. Owned by American Steamship, but operated by Grand River Navigation, and she is currently on her way in today on their first trip to the Twin Ports for the 2023 shipping season with a load of limestone for the Hallett 8 dock, and they will be leaving empty to load iron pellets in 2 harbors at some point. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a good wave and welcome them back to the Twin Ports.
Coach McGurry to the H. White.
H. White.
Yeah, can I lead that?
Hey, good morning, the White's on 8.
Yeah, Yeah, Missouri here, Cap. How far up you gotta go in this slip?
We gotta go all the way to the southern end.
You gotta go all the way to the end?
We'll be tucked right up in there, all the way to the south.